Hey guys, how's it going? My name is AppWhizz, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the login error in WeChat. First of all, as you can see here, we've downloaded WeChat. When you try to log in with your account, you might notice that there's an issue during the login process. To fix that, go back to your home screen. What I'm going to do is tap on the settings gear icon. In the main settings, if you're using an iPhone, scroll down and tap on iPhone storage. If you're using an Android device, go to Settings, then find Apps or App Management, and locate WeChat under App Info. Scroll down a bit until you find WeChat. Tap on it, and what you're going to do is offload the app on iPhone, or clear cache and force stop on Android. This will remove unnecessary data that might be causing the login issue. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.